So Skyread sent me these filters for the Lite Plus. So did Freewell. They sent me their filters for the Lite Plus, and which also fits for the Evo2Pro. And at the end of this whole thing, I will be giving this away to my supporters. Under the community tab, there will be a poll, and in there you can leave your, or actually I'm gonna post in there my email address, and you can write me, and you can tell me which one you want, and I will randomly draw one of you guys as the supporters who pay $1.99 a month every time, to see that I just want to give back to you guys as a token of appreciation that you guys support me and my work. And yeah, like I said, it's $1.99 a month for the membership. So if you guys haven't signed up yet, please do so. It's going to help me create more. Of course, convince more of these companies to support me, send me stuff so I can give it away to you guys. Appreciate it. I hope I see you guys around, and I hope you guys sign up. Love you all. Aloha.